Assalamualaikum and hi, I am representative from Group 7. My name is Najihah, Binti Mohamad Sabri, and this is the Pioneer Project video presentation. I will explain OSI model layer where how data is being sent from lecture PC to. So first, we should know about OSI model. So what is OSI model? OSI model is a generic model that is based upon functionality of each layer. So OSI model has 7 layers, which is the first is physical, and then data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and last is application. Application layer. It is the topmost layer where it can be a computer programmer or a regular PC user. This layer allows access to network resources. Basically, in this case, application layer acts as when you are clicking the URL of the user system, the URL of it will be inserted just like the link that's stated in here. Okay. The browser select which web server it is send the data to, will contact the server and send the request. So the result will be when the response is returned, the browser display the user system browser display the desired content on the web page. Then presentation layer. In this layer, the operating system operates with the data. So the main function, there are 3 tasks. The first one is data formatting from human form to computer form. The second one, encryption. The data requested will be encrypted from read to cannot be read in the transfer that being happen. The third is compression. Data being compressed so that it is smaller form to send in network. Okay. So in this study, usually a web page contains different formats of data such as HTML files, JavaScript files, image files, and etc. So in this presentation layer, the data inserted will be transferred from raw to computer format. Session layer. Session layer has the job of maintaining proper communicating by establishing, managing, and terminating sessions between 2 computers. Example, whenever we visit any website, our computer is creating a session with the web server. When we request a web page, the web browser opens a TCP UDP connection to the web server. The web server sends back the web page and close the connection. Each TCP UDP connection is a session. Okay, next is transport layer. When you are communicating with a website, this layer will decide how much data you can transfer and receive at a given point of time. Transport layer provides reliable process-to-process message delivery and error recovery. So transport layer involves 2 protocols that are TCP and UDP. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol and UDP is User Datagram Protocol. TCP guarantees the delivery of data over a network that we call it a connection-oriented protocol. If in the event that data isn't sent correctly, the sending computer will be notified and will resend the information. Compared to the UDP doesn't require that data has been received correctly. Likewise, we call UDP a connectionless protocol. This network layer. The main role for this layer is to move packets from source to destination and provide internetworking. This is the layer that the routers operate on. Since router operate at the network level, we can say that the IP address is at the network level. So the data format for network layer is packet. The transport layer, which is segment, when the data go to the network layer, the segment will be packet. So to send data out from the device, we will go to the data link layer. The data will be framed. At this layer, the data are decoded into frame of bits and it manages and handles error in the physical layer, flow control, and freight synchronization. This is the layer on which the switch operates on. Since router operate at the network level, we can say that the MAC address is set at the data link layer. All the computer in a specific network get plugged into switch so that they can communicate with each other. Last is physical layer. Physical layer is the way transmission of data bits takes place through a medium. So the raw data are transported in the form of bits 0 and 1 across the network. All physical things that are connected with the computers. So it can be either electrical, mechanical, or radio waves. This is more like detail how the data travel from sender to receiver. Okay, so that's all for my group. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.